The system is rigging you to fail. 18.39 trillion in American debt, 19 trillion Chinese loan bombs ready to detonate, and you're still thinking your 9 to 5 is safe? When China defaults, banks freeze globally. When banks freeze, your company can't get credit. And when they can't get credit, you get the pink slip. It's really that simple. Steve Eisman, the guy who made millions betting against 2008, is screaming warnings about private credit collapse right now. Car loans defaulting, corporate debt exploding, and you're one layoff away from losing everything. The people who survive this, they're not waiting for permission. Look, I own a digital agency called ViewDo, and I'm telling you this because I built it specifically for this moment. We help entrepreneurs build e-commerce systems, AI automation, and digital infrastructure that generates real income, not side hustle money. Income that doesn't disappear when your boss decides you're too expensive. If you're serious about escaping the trap before it springs, check out viewdo.com. We'll build the systems while you focus on growing your own empire. But either way, stop waiting. The bomb is ticking and your job will not save you.